To add multiple items to your inventory, first click Import Inventory in the lower left corner. You'll then be prompted to download the template, which will create an Excel file. This file is organized by type. Each type, in this example, antibody and cell line, each type has its own worksheet. The first several columns on every worksheet are identical. These correspond to the standard fields, such as item name, vendor, and catalog number. The columns after those standard fields vary based on the item type. Here in cell line, I see things like expresses and growth medium, whereas in the chemical type, I see different columns. These columns correspond to your custom fields that you create relative to your item type. To add an item to the inventory, I'll include the item name. I'll also indicate my amount in stock, and I can create a location and sublocation on this template. This is going to create a shelf and rack location. If you're looking to upload the contents of a freezer box, we suggest creating the freezer box in the location section of your Quartzy account prior to importing via this template. Once I've included all of my details, I'll go ahead and save the file. And then I'll head back to my Quartzy account. Here, I'll certify that I've used Quartzy's template by checking the box, and then I'll select my file. The items will import into my inventory with all the correct details. If I need to edit any details, I can simply click on the item name and edit in the item details panel.